started again from Oslob. We've just done a whale shark and now we are going to our next destination. This is going to be a second itinerary for you guys for one day if you guys are in Oslob, and if you guys are here for whale shark. Whale shark ends at 10 or 11 a.m. and then after that you guys can go to Tumalog waterfalls, which is like 10-15 meters high. And now I'll show you guys the waterfalls and I'll show you how to get there, okay? To get there we have to get a motorcycle because tricycles or any other vehicle cannot go there, so we have to get motorcycles. Let me ask how much the price is. Okay, let's go. It's in the center. It's in the center. It's in the market. 150 each. 150 here. Come back here. But if you pay 200, can they not take us to home?
No, it's too far. It's too far.
It's too far?
Yeah.
How much you pay for until home?
You just drop you there in the highway and you can ride the easy ride.
Tricycle.
Yeah. But the single motorbike is too expensive for it because yeah.
Okay, we are getting 3 motorcycles? How much? Yeah.
It's 150 per head.
150
per head.
Per head. Okay, so who do we pay? To the driver?
Later.
Okay, so now these guys are taking us with motorcycle. We are paying 150 each, which means less than $3. So they will take us there to the waterfall and we swim there. They wait for us like hour, I guess 1 hour, not more than that. And they take us back here too. Very nice and not too expensive, I assume. And we all have, you know, 1 motorcycle each and 1 driver. So let's get to the motorcycles and go to the waterfalls, guys. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
What's your name, my friend?
Clean.
Join?
Clean.
Lean.
Clean. G-L-E-N.
Clean.
Yeah.
Clean. Oh! Awesome. Show me your skills, man. Show me your skills. Hello. Ah, nice.
We're going to Tumalog waterfalls.
Yes. How tall is it? How tall?
Maybe maybe
10 meters?
100 feet or 200 feet.
The waterfall. 100 meters?
No, maybe 50 meters like that.
Wow. Can we jump?
No.
So to get to the waterfall area, you guys have to pay entrance fee. How much is the entrance?
50 and the motorbike is 50. So 100 each.
Okay, we cannot walk
You
outside.
can walk if you want, but much better if you want to take a ride. If you will take a ride.
From what country you came from, sir?
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. You?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
No discount?
No.
It's 500 meters from
Are
here.
you a senior citizen?
I am. I am 65. Am I considered to be senior? I am 65. 300 all. So we are 3 people.
From
Oh, we are not taking bus? We are not
That's
taking
for motorbike.
motorcycle?
Right, sir. Motorbike.
I think they are not taking us.
No, they're not allowed. Only us here.
Okay.
Yeah.
150 for 3 people.
yeah. Okay. Right.
So should I keep this?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys have to pay 50 pesos for entrance and 50 pesos for this motorcycle. These are authorized motorcycles. You cannot enter with any motorcycle. Only these people with these blue shirts can take you in. So this is the waterfall, guys. Wow. Be careful, man. This is so steep.
Yeah.
Woo. Wow. So steep. So they just took us here, and that is the waterfall. So we take our time, we swim, and then they take us back to the entrance now. Wow, this is majestic, guys. I don't want to show it now. I want to surprise you guys. Let's walk slowly. Oh my god, this is the biggest waterfall I've ever seen in my life. I'm of course, inshallah, will make it to the biggest one in Canada. I forgot the name. Niagara. How do you pronounce it? Anyways, but this is 100 meters. 100 feet. I don't know what in meters. I'll put the meters into the titles, guys. You'll see it, subtitles. And wow. I can feel the cool wind here already. And you guys are ready? Are you guys ready to see the waterfall? Hold on. So there's always expectations versus reality. If you Google Tumalog Falls, it's so beautiful, like people took pictures, videos, but when you come in person, it's not the same yet because it's so touristic and there are so many people. You just have to just have to find a spot to be alone, to take all those nice cool pictures for yourself. But now I'm not sure if we can do that, if we can find a spot for ourselves, but we'll just try now. I'm almost there. You guys are ready? What do you think?
Allah, this is my first time in my life I see waterfall.
Wow.
Allah, it's so huge, man.
So huge. And we want to swim here, man. Let's swim. Do you guys want to swim? Do you think
And look, the water is so clean also.
Yeah. SubhanAllah. Wow. 1, 2, 3. This has been a very short trip to Tumalog Waterfalls in Oslob city, Cebu. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys come here. It just only takes 20 minutes from the center of the Oslob city. So it doesn't cost. It costs about like $6 total entrance fees, motorcycles, and just waterfall is just breathtaking, guys. I loved it so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we'll be making more adventurous videos like this in the future. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.